Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really cool, amazing product that I just received, and it is from HiSmile. This is a teeth whitening kit for at-home teeth whitening, and this is really exciting for me because I've had braces for the past year and a half. If you guys saw, I did a video I did a video last year. I know it's been a while since I've been on here, but it was mostly because of the braces thing, and I was dealing with all of that, but now I got them taken off, and I've always wanted to try teeth whitening kits at home, but I've always been hesitant which one I should get. So I was contacted by HiSmile, and I'm very happy to be doing this video for them. This is a really quick process. It is so easy, anyone can do it. Each syringe is for 2 days, and I have 6 days here to do it. And it also comes with 2 mouthpieces, and it comes with the LED light right here. It is super small and compact. You could literally take this anywhere. You attach the mouthpiece to it, and it's super easy, super simple. Then you apply 1/4 of the syringe gel to the top and 1/4 to the bottom, and that way you place it in your mouth for 10 minutes, and it's super easy. You'll have white teeth in no time. It only takes 10 minutes, and the light will turn off and it will beep to let you know that your time is up. So that is super convenient. You don't have to have an additional timer, which was very nice. And also the gel doesn't taste bad at all. I just rinse my mouth after, and I'm so happy with this. They do recommend that you follow kind of like a consecutive schedule, so do it every day for the amount of days that you've purchased, and also avoid drinking or eating foods that are dark, like wine, coffee, tea, things like that. This product is so amazing. I really recommend it. If you guys want to try it, go ahead. I'll leave a link down below. I'm very happy with this. It's called HiSmile, and they are awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like these videos, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Please leave a comment down below if you have tried any of these products or similar ones. I would love to hear your thoughts. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!